Hi everyone, Heather here from Felt Mercantile, and we are here with a bit of a special video this week. But first, I just wanted to mention that the pattern sale on our Etsy shop has been extended till October 17th before the prices go back up to regular price. So be sure to pick up any patterns for the felt foods that you've been meaning to buy because they're very discounted right now. So let's just get into the reason for this video. So this TV show MAID, everyone's been talking about it on Netflix. I was actually part of it. So I was commissioned to make felt foods and a toucan and also an orangutan, which obviously didn't show up on screen, but still very cute. So then I got the commission to make this dragon for the daycare scene, which I was super stoked about. Of course, you see me hugging her. I named her Daphne. But we have this week's video showing you how to make a smaller version of Daphne. And I obviously gave her a bum as she didn't have one originally. But I hope you enjoyed this needle felting tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for all the cool things that I get to do in my life. I will share with you. So thank you so much for subscribing, guys. We just hit 400 subscribers. I am over the moon. So thank you to all my old and new followers, and I will see you guys next week. Enjoy this video. Bye.